Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Eastern or Russian knitting style. We are going to be holding our working yarn in our left hand and also our left needle, and we are going to be holding the other needle in the right hand. And in Eastern or Russian style knitting, you will knit the stitches through the back loop. So you're going to insert your right needle through the back loop of this first stitch. You're going to be grabbing the working yarn with your right needle, and you are going to be pulling it over to your right needle. Again, we insert the right needle through the back loop, grab the working yarn from right to left, and pull it over to the right needle. So again, insert the needle through the back loop, we grab the yarn with our right needle and pull it over. It's a very fast and efficient way of knitting because it doesn't involve any unnecessary movements of neither the working yarn or your fingers. Now you can see that in Eastern style or Russian style knitting, the stitch man is different than in Western style knitting. So the left leg is what's in front of our needle and the right leg is in the back, versus if you were knitting Western style, I'll show you how it would look. Let's do a couple of stitches. So this is what the stitch orientation would be in Western style knitting. The right leg of your stitch would be in front of the needle and the left leg behind the needle. So your stitches are kind of like this, versus when you are knitting Eastern style, your stitches are more like this. Does that make sense?